Hello, welcome to Wednesday. Now today I'm quite looking forward to seeing what you manage to find, as you're going to be finding the area of items around your house, actually going around measuring them. Now I'm going to show you a couple of different examples that you could do, and then basically just going to let you loose and see what you can find out. Now having a ruler is going to be really helpful for this. Something else that might be useful if you're going to do something bigger is like a tape measure just like this. Now, to find out the area of a shape, we know that we need two of the sides. It needs to be something like a rectangle or a square, so that we can actually work out the area. Or if it's not one of those shapes, we need to break up the shape that we have into those that we know we can find the area of. Now the first one I'm going to do is this book here. Very good book, Mortal Engines series. If anyone wants to read them, we do have the first one in school, so when we're back you can borrow one. Now first of all I'm going to measure how long it is, so we're looking at 20 centimetres. And then I'm going to measure the width, which is 13 centimetres. I'm going to multiply both of those together. So I've got, let's have a look. 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 2 is 6. Make sure I got my place holding 0. 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 2 is 2. Add both of those together, I get 260 centimetres squared. What I probably do now is book is 260 centimetres squared. However you would like to set it out in your book, I'm not too fussed, but obviously you will need some space to actually do the working out. Let's do something a little bit smaller this time. Let's go with this, the headphone box. We're going to be, how long is it? So we're at 10 centimetres long. We're at 7 centimetres wide. I can multiply these together. I'll just do me 10 times table, which is 70 centimetres squared. So that would be headphone box. It's a nice way of setting it out. The final one I am going to do for you today, I can't actually do with my 30 centimetre ruler because he's a little bit too big. I'm going to measure good old Derek. Let's find out roughly what the area is. Now obviously it's not a flat surface, so it's quite tricky to work it out, but I will basically work out the area roughly of what his body is. So I'm going to use my tape measure. So he is about 40 centimetres long. Let's see how wide he is. We're looking at about 25 centimetres wide. Again, I'm going to multiply both of these together. 40 times 0 is 0. 5 times 4 is 20. That gives me 200. I've got to have my place holding 0 in there. 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 4 is 8. Add both of those together, gives me an answer of, carry the 1, gives me an answer of 1,000 centimetres squared. So roughly Derek is about 1,000 centimetres squared. Now see if you can find some interesting objects around your home that you can find the area of. I'm really looking forward to seeing what you find out. See you tomorrow.